Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to take subtraction of 5-digit numbers by borrowing. Today we are going to take subtraction of 5-digit numbers by borrowing. You know how to subtract 4-digit numbers by borrowing. In the same method, we subtract 5-digit numbers by borrowing. Let's study the example. Let's study the example that given in your textbook, page number 27. See, here it gives the numbers 45,005 and 37,857. So, here we have to subtract first 7 from 5. See, at the unit place, we have to subtract 7 from 5. But we cannot subtract 7 from 5. So, we borrow 1 from the tens place, but at the tens place there is 0. And at the 100 place there is also 0. So we borrow 1 from the thousand place. We borrow 1 from the thousand place. So at the 1000 place there is 4. At the 100 place, see, at the 1000 place 5 will be 4. And you know 1000 equal to 1000. So at the 100 place 0 will be 10. Now we borrow 100 from 10. So this 10 will be 9, and at the tens place, see, 100 equal to 10 tens. So at the tens place 0 will be 10. Now we borrow 1 tens from 10 unit from 10 tens. So this 10 will be 9, and at the tens place this 5 will be 15. This 5 will be 15. Now 15 minus 7, 8. At the tens place, 9 minus 5, 4. At the 100 place, 9 minus 8, 1. Now see, at the 1000 place, here we have to subtract 7 from 4. But we cannot subtract 7 from 4. So borrow 1 from the 10,000 place. And at the 10,000 place, there is 4. So 4 will be 3. And at the 1000 place, this 4 will be 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Now at the 10,000 place, 3 minus 3, 0. So here we get the answer 7,148. Now, see, let's solve the exercise, page number 27. See here, the question is subtract. Here it gives 9 sums. It gives 9 sums. From that, I solved 6 sums, and remaining 3 you have to solve by yourself. That is your homework. So see the first one. See, here the question is subtract, and here numbers are already arranged. We have to just subtract it. So see, in the first one, the numbers are given 42,715 and 21,618. So here in the unit place we have to subtract 8 from 5. But we cannot subtract 8 from 5. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from tens place. But at the tens place there is 1. At the tens place there is 1. So this 1 will be 0, and at the unit place 5 will be 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Now we have to subtract 1 from 0 at the tens place. But we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So borrow 1 from the 100 place. At the 100 place we have 7. So this 7 will be 6, and 0 at the tens place will be 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Now at the 100 place, 6 minus 6, 0. At the 1000 place, 2 minus 1, 1. At the 10,000 place, 4 minus 2, 2. So here we get the answer 21,097. Now see the next one. Next one is, in the next one the numbers are given 56,824 and 32,465. So see, at the unit place, here we have to subtract 5 from 4. But we cannot subtract 5 from 4. So borrow 1 from the tens place. At the tens place, 2 will be 1, and at the unit place 4 will be 14. 14 minus 5, 9. Now see at the tens place. At the tens place, now we have to subtract 6 from 1. We cannot subtract 6 from 1. So borrow 1 from the hundred place. At the hundred place 8 will be 7, and at the tens place 1 will be 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Now at the hundred place 7 minus 4, 3. At the thousand place 6 minus 2, 4. At the 10,000 place 5 minus 3, 2. So here we get the answer 24,359. Now see the next one. In this the numbers are given 78,235 and 43,759. So here we have to subtract 9 from 5. At the unit place we have to subtract 9 from 5, but we cannot subtract 9 from 5. So borrow 1 from the tens place. At the tens place 3 will be 2, and at the unit place 5 will be 15. 15 minus 9, 6. Now at the tens place we cannot subtract 5 from 2. So borrow 1 from the hundred place. At the hundred place 2 will be 1, and at the tens place 2 will be 12. Now 12 minus 5, 7. See at the hundred place we cannot subtract 7 from 1. So borrow 1 from the thousand place. At the thousand place 8 will be 7, and at the hundred place 1 will be 11. 11 minus 7, 4. At the thousand place 7 minus 3, 4. At the 10,000 place 7 minus 4, 3. So here we get the answer 34,476. Now come to the next one. Next one is, see here the numbers are given 34,429 and 15,219. Here we have to subtract first 9 unit from 9 unit. 9 minus 9, 0. Then at the tens place 2 minus 1, 1. At the hundred place 4 minus 2, 2. At the 10,000 place, at the thousand place we cannot subtract 5 from 4. So borrow 1 from the 10,000 place. At the 10,000 place 3 will be 2, and 4. At the thousand place 4 will be 14. 14 minus 5, 9. At the 10,000 place 2 minus 1, 1. Now see the next one. In the next the numbers are given 50,709 and 32,815. Here we have to subtract 32,815 from 50,709. So see at the unit place 9 minus 5, 4. At the tens place we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So borrow 1 from hundred place. At the hundred place 7 will be 6, and at the tens place 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 1, 9. At the hundred place we cannot subtract 8 from 6. So borrow 1 from the thousand place, but there is 0 at the thousand place. So we borrow 1 from the 10,000 place. At the 10,000 place 5 will be 4. At the thousand place 0 will be 10. Now this 10 will be 9, and at the hundred place 6 will be 16. Now 16 minus 8, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. So here we get the answer 17,894. Now come to the next one. In the next the numbers are given 67,000 and 38,765. Here we have to subtract 38,765 from 67,000. See at the unit place. At the unit place we have to subtract 5 from 0. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we borrow 1 from the next place, but there is again 0 at the tens and hundred place. So we borrow 1 from the thousand place. So see at the thousand place. At the thousand place 7 will be 6 and at the hundredth place 0 will be 10 and this 10 will be 9. Then at the tens place 0 will be 10, then this 10 will be 9 and at the unit place 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2. Now see at the thousand place we cannot subtract 8 from 6, so borrow 1 from 10,000 place. At the 10,000 place 6 will be 5 and at the thousand place 6 will be 16. 16 minus 8, 8. At the 10,000 place 5 minus 3, 2. So here we get the answer 28,235. So see here we solved 6 sums. Now remaining 3 sums you have to solve by yourself. This is your homework. Here we complete this topic. Now we will meet in the next lecture with the next topic.